What's good, YouTube? Hope all is well with you. The Valiant Sense coming at you once again with another review, break in the action. Yes, we will get back to the fragrance reviews next video after this one. But I wanted to feature another young up-and-coming black entrepreneur and their candle company. And so this one here, we're going with the white bag. Shout out to all of my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you for tuning in and your support. This is from Earthly Collective. This is from Earthly Collective, and of all the fragrances, now she had some, like, I wanted to buy multiple, but I went with one, and I ended up grabbing the last one of this one. Laundry Day. From the Earthly Collective, this is Laundry Day. You can imagine what this smells like. Fresh linen. Oh man. This was her last one. So this particular scent sold out for her at the event. When I went to the entrepreneur, the event to support young black entrepreneurs, this was the one that I picked. She didn't tell me until afterward. This was the one where I got the last one. She had one that was a melon. It was delicious smelling. It was a delicious melon. But I went with this one just because I love that fresh linen smell. Man, I love the fresh linen smell. But you got at the bottom, you've got the notes there, and we have down there, so it's gonna be hard to read. So I'm gonna go with cocoa, what's it? Apricot cream, crackling candle. Oh yeah, this is a crackling candle, so it crackles. That wick, it crackles and sparkles. Anything that's not dangerous or anything like that, but it little sparkles, little flickers and whatnot. It makes the sound while it's burning. So again, from the Earthly Collective, this is Laundry Day. Again, linen, ozone, light musk. Man, I love that smell. I love that smell. So shiny top there, a little bit of fingerprint monster. There's the bottom, and look at the size that you get. Look at the size from where it starts right there. So you're about right here, and then goes all the way down. All right, there, we'll keep it open. The inside of the lid. So this thing is very secure. Once you close it up, it's very secure. Okay. So also, to highlight everything here, we've got Earthly Collective, proud to be a tree ambassador. Earthly Collective supports reforestation by planting trees with every purchase. So I helped replant a tree. And then, let's see here. Of course, they have a candle care card, just like the other company. Teaches you how to take care of your candle. Well, you have no accidents. Anyway, you're doing the right thing by your candle for the safety of yourself and your loved ones. Okay. And then she's got, take a look at us here, Earthly Collective. And it's, you got the QR code there. And read it, at Earthly Collective CO. For Instagram, I'm assuming, and then www.earthlycollectiveco.com. earthlycollectiveco.com. So go ahead and check out the Earthly Collective. Very nice young lady that was there at the event, and her family are hopefully welcoming a new addition to the family soon, so shout out to you. hoping that everything is going well in that aspect. But I am promoting you, I'm shouting you out, not getting paid for this, just because I want to. That's what I want to do. I want to push other young up and coming Black entrepreneurs that are trying to make it, they're trying to do their own business. And I understand by the way of my profession that it's hard to start a business. It's hard to start a business. So I definitely applaud and support anyone who is trying, who is putting forth an effort, getting out there, putting themselves out there in order to make it and achieve their goals, achieve their dreams. So once again, from the House of Earthly Collective, we have Laundry Day. I encourage you to check out the website and check out all the different scents that she has for her business. Once again, this is the Valiant Scents. Believe until you stop breathing. I appreciate all of my subscribers. Please continue to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll be back to the fragrances and a new display here, a new arsenal, if you will. Believe until you stop breathing. This is the Valiant Scents. We'll see you in the next video.